Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oprah Winfrey is quite an active social media user and leaves no stone unturned to impress her fans with amazing clips of her adventures. Recently, talking to her Instagram handle, the talk show host posted a video of her relaxing trip as she takes a hiking trip with her longtime best friend Gayle King in Hawaii on Thursday afternoon. After having both knees replaced last year, the television personality was seen wearing a white t-shirt with thin black strips and off-white sweatpants on her latest excursion. She accessorized her casual look with a wide-brimmed hat, oversized glasses, and black fanny pack. Both friends used walking sticks to help themselves make it up the hill as they enjoyed some fresh air in the Aloha state. Hey everybody, on another hike today because it's my new passion. Oprah said to open the clip alongside King, who added that she has new knees. Winfrey underwent 2 knee surgeries during the later half of 2021. She then went through many difficult months of rehabilitation. So I've been hiking since literally March of this year. Oprah continued in the clip. Now for the first time ever, I moved to another island. I never go off island. Gayle and Oprah have been hiking a ton over the last week or so, with Winfrey documenting a number of clips from their adventures earlier in the week. The pair even joined up with a group of friends for an end-of-year gratitude hike as a way to bid farewell to 2022 and hello to the year ahead. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.